Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Black smoky eyes are always iconic, and today I will teach you how to do this very glamorous black smoky eye makeup look very easily. This is a very detailed step by step, and you will be like surprised at the end of the video that how quick and easy it is to create this makeup look, which is so beautiful. So let's start the makeup. I have done my brows with simple arch, nothing too crazy. For eyeshadow, let's prep my eyes with some concealer. If you do not want to have crease in your eyeshadows, make sure to set your concealer with some powder, preferably loose powder. My eye makeup game changed after doing this hack. This is something that I do for every smoky eye makeup look, which is basically using a neutral light brown shade as my transition shade all over my eyes before putting any darker eyeshadows. It's not a mandatory step, you can totally skip it. This is a very, straightforward eyeshadow look. There is no much drama. We will only use one eyeshadow again and again to build the whole look. So for this look, obviously we are using a black eyeshadow. This is my Lola Cosmetics palette. Lola Cosmetics is a Bangladeshi brand, and I think this palette has been discontinued, but this is my go-to palette. Every time I do my makeup, I use this, and I use this shade for my eyebrows, and the black shade is also used a lot, and I will only use this black eyeshadow. So first I will just take a little amount, dust it off, and I will just slowly start blending it in my crease. If you take too much, it will get very messy and there will be harsh lines around your crease. So I'm just applying very gently with my fluffy crease brush. You can use a dark brown eyeshadow, even a lighter brown eyeshadow, if you want your smoky eye look to be more softer, but I want it to be very sharp and dark, so I'm not using any brown this time. We have done a very black base on our crease, which looks very seamless, nothing too like dark or messy or harsh. It looks soft and blended. Now we will move on to our lower part, and I will use some kajal for that. Scandal Eyes Kajal from Rimmel London, and I have been using this kajal for years. This is my signature product, or my go-to product for any kinds of smoky eye. I will use this kajal. This is the best one I have used in my life, and this is also very affordable. So what I will do with the kajal is I will apply it directly on my eyes to create a black base, and you can use gel eyeliner for this. It will be really good option, but if you don't have it, you can use a very pigmented kajal. The dry type of formulas won't work here. You need a creamy one. I will use more if needed, and then I will use a flat brush and blend it quickly. This area, like very close to my lash line, I will fill it entirely by the kajal. You don't really need to worry if you think that this part of the kajal is looking messy or unblended, because we will sort it out with some black eyeshadow later. I will use the same flat brush and the black eyeshadow from earlier, and I will pack the black eyeshadow all over my eyes on top of the black base of kajal. And I will use the crease brush and blend the edges. Eye makeup is almost done. You can literally stop now, use some eyeliner, lashes, but I'm feeling a little festive now, so I will add some black shimmers. If you are a bridesmaid or just even a wedding guest, you can totally use black glitter or black shimmer or even silver glitter if you have it on top for some extra touch. Otherwise, this look as it is now is a very classic black smoky eye with just some eyeliner and lashes. I use this black shimmer from the Too Faced Italian Spritz palette. Why look simple if you can look stunning? Guys, I'm in love with this pair of lashes. My face is moisturized and now I will use primer. This is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Press it onto my skin, especially where I have pores. And I will let the primer set for a few minutes. In the meanwhile, we can use kajal on our tight line. Color correction before everything. I'm using some skin tint. I'm going very heavy with the concealer today, so I was like, skip foundation. The finish of this skin tint is so beautiful. You can totally skip foundation and rely on the concealer for coverage. Using the LA Girl Pro concealers for both my color correction and highlighting. So for color correction I used medium beige, and now I'm using the shade named Porcelain for highlighting, and I love a bright under eye moment. So this is a new hack that I tried, which is like before blending my concealer 100%, I put some setting spray, and while my setting spray is like almost drying, I pressed my loose powder on top and mix everything and set my face. What I used to do earlier is putting the setting spray after blending my concealer and foundation properly. I'm not going very like smoky or messy type of under eye look when I do smoky eyes. So most of the time what I do is use my angled brush and then I dip it into my black eyeshadow and then I press it onto my kajal, like very close to my kajal to kind of set it, and it looks very like neat and black. Let me show you guys. The darker the eyes, the paler the lips. I'm using this cool toned brown chocolatey lip liner to define my lips. This is from LA Girl. Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. I added some finishing touches like this beauty mark, accessories, and we are done. This is one of my favorite makeup looks that I have ever created, and black smoky eyes. You guys know my love for smoky eyes. I have done tons of videos on YouTube, my Instagram, my TikTok. There are so many smoky eyes tutorials, and this one by far is my favorite one. So guys, don't forget to recreate this makeup look if you have a black saree or even a black salwar kameez or any black outfit this wedding season, and I can't wait to wear it outside. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.